the sandwich of righteous justice. Well, my interpretation of the sandwich of righteous justice is to have something local provenance, something that's completely and utterly delicious, and something that says a little bit about me. Alright, at the time of recording I've already seen the entry by Mark of Mark's Remarks, who did a valiant effort and a really great sandwich, which is yet to be named, I think, but here we go. Right, on to mine. For my sandwich you will need this is a small bloomer. It's actually a sourdough bloomer, and one sandwich will be half of this. You'll also need some melted garlic butter, and you'll need some finely shredded onions, and you'll need some mint sauce. Alright, you will also need a generous portion of pulled lamb. Alright, straight on and straight into it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this loaf in half, and lovely sourdough bread inside, and then I'm going to go halfway down like that, and then I'm going to open it up. Now inside, sourdough bread is really quite firm, so I'm actually going to take a little bit of that out, and that is going to be used to make some stuffing or something like that later on. I just don't want it too bulky with bread, because we want to get more meat in it. Alright, so let's get that open. That really wants to fall apart on me. And into that let's get some garlic butter brushed. Don't be stingy, don't be a bum, do the good thing. Alright, do the good thing. Right, onto that we need a generous portion of pulled lamb, which I've got keeping warm over here. Spoonzilla sneaking into the scene once again. So there we go, that's pulled lamb shoulder with a mint sauce, and a little bit more because I can. And my brother will be eating this, and he's going to rather enjoy that. And onto that I'm going to put a sprinkle of onion. That's entirely optional, it's up to you whether you like it or not. We do, so we're going to have some. And on top of that, just to make it extra nice, is just another little sprinkle of mint sauce. Now what we need to do with that, if we can, is close the lid down, and I'm going to present that on a plate. So there you have it, pulled lamb with mint sauce on a sourdough bloomer with fresh onion. The thing is though, is it a sandwich of righteous justice? Alright, Dick.
I would describe it as a huge meal in a loaf.
Yeah. Alright then. Alright, Dick, thanks for help. And thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.